continuation of washing clothes. Ayan, konti lang itong nilabhan ko kasi kahapon naglaba ako. Mas marami yung nilabhan ko kahapon. Ayan, itong blanket, sun drying lang ito. Yung nilabhan ko kahapon na dry na, so na-fold ko na. Nailagay ko na sa cabinet. You see, it's a pleasant day. Today is Saturday and time check, 11:30 AM, and today is March 16. It's my special day. I'm already 58 years old. Alhamdulillah, I reached this age. So ayan, nakalaban na ako, alhamdulillah, yesterday and today. And inshallah after 1 week or few days again ako maglalaba pag may dumi. So ayan silang oh. Ayan. At saka ano pala ngayon, ano pala ngayon ang tawag dito, 5th day of ano pala ngayon, Ramadan. Ang bilis ng araw, pang 5 times na Ramadan na ito. Ayan, alhamdulillah, nakakaraos sa fasting. Even fasting, hindi ako nakaka-feel ng gutom o kaya thirsty o kaya uhaw, alhamdulillah. Chicken clay must be little only gravy. This is our viand for after iftari dinner. Ayan, then with white rice, luto natin. Ayan. Ito na yung sharbat or juice, fruit chat, 3 samosa, kunting jalebi with dates. Ito yung pang open fasting. First, we have to eat 1 or 2 pieces of dates, then followed by juice or water. And then, kung ano yung gusto nyo, pakola, samosa, or fruit chat, or you can eat also dinner. Ito yung pang 5th na Ramadan. Chapati I cook also, aside from rice, because chicken clay, so must be with chapati. Ayan. Usok pa bagong luto. And then next ay pakola naman ang lulutuin. Ayan, pakola. This is very common, especially in Ramadan. Ito na yung pakola lahat.